Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable slow charging mode on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To enable slow charging mode, go to settings, then scroll down until you find Smart Manager and now click on battery and then go to more battery settings and enable intelligent charging mode. When this is enabled, then your battery will be charged using AI, so it will extend your battery life by making your battery charge slower when it has time for it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.